Hello, Orange Room friends. It's Mila and teacher Andrea. Today we're going to be doing a really cool science experiment. We're going to be making a volcano and simulating an eruption. So the ingredients we need are baking soda, vinegar, and we made Play-Doh, brown Play-Doh, to make our little volcano. So we're going to take it out. Awesome. So we're gonna make a little ball, or a big ball. Big ball, right? Then we're gonna smash it a little. We're gonna try to open a little hole in the middle. Yeah. And we're gonna use a little container. And we're gonna put this around it and try to make a volcano. Let's form. Yeah. There we go. Does that look like a volcano, Mila?
Yes.
Yeah. Kind of, right? So we're gonna put it in our little bucket so we don't make a huge mess.
Yes.
Put it up here. And pretend our volcano is like in that little, there's grass and greenery around it. So we're gonna fill our little cup halfway with vinegar.
Yes.
It's vinagre, Mila. Vinagre. No, it's agua. I didn't have red food coloring, so I'm gonna be adding some water-based paint to make our lava, since lava is red. Right, ¿qué color es? Rojo. Muy bien. Gonna mix it. Solita. Do you want to help mix it, Mila?
Yes.
Do you want to mix it?
Yes.
Let's add a little bit more, so it'll be really red. You want to help? Like this?
Yes.
Go like this. Mix it.
Mix.
Help me. There you go. Is it red?
Yes.
A little bit. Okay. Perfect. And now we're going to be adding about a tablespoon of baking soda. Are you ready, Mila?
Yes.
Let's step a little bit back. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Whoa!
Wow.
Oh, that's so cool.
More.
See, we made a little eruption. Should we add more? Let's see.
Wow. 1, 2.
Oh, I think we need more vinegar, but we can add more.
Wow.
Should we do it one more time?
Yes.
Okay, let's add more vinegar. Whoa!
Wow.
So cool. So there you go, friends. I hope you guys try it at home. And I'll send you another video later. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.